Problem number 26. So in contest math problems, like in the contest, this is a problem from one of the regional contests in some country. And usually some of the problems, they are very straightforward. All you need to do is some kind of simplification. Just like start working with what's given, right? So in this problem, we are given this expression, the relation between an plus 1 and an. So let me simplify. I don't like these fractions. Let me simplify it and then probably try to get a product of two consecutive terms of the sequence. So what will be the fraction here? So an plus 1. If I do the common denominator, it will be an plus 1 over an, right? Or this is flips the fraction. So an plus 1 is equal to an over an plus 1. Let me do the cross. So let's say this is 1, do the cross multiplication. And then that gives me an is equal to an plus 1, an plus 1. Open the parentheses. We get the product of two numbers, right? An is an plus 1 multiplied by an plus an plus 1. So we can see that the product of two consecutive terms is equal to an minus an plus 1. So that's the relation that we were looking for. This is kind of very helpful. So if the product of these two is equal to the difference of smaller minus the larger one, so go to the problem. A1 minus A1 times A2, that's just like A1 minus A2. A2 times A3, that's just like A2 minus A3. This is A3 minus A4, and so on. You go all the way A2008 minus A2009. So we can see that this one and this one, two consecutive terms get cancelled, become 0, omit each other. And then at the end, we have A1 minus A2009. So we know the value for A1. That's just 1 minus A to the 2009. So what we have, the sum is 1 minus A 2009, and we can try to compute the value for A 2009. Okay, now we want to find exact expression for A 2009. So in order to do this, we can divide both sides. So using this expression, so 1 is an minus an plus 1. So we have this expression. We divide both sides by an plus 1 and an. Then that gives me 1 is 1 over an plus 1. If I split the fractions, 1 over an. So this difference is always 1. That's a constant. So I can use it to find A 2009. So that's like, if I write it 1 over A2 minus 1 over A1, that's going to be 1, right? 1 over A3 minus 1 over A2, that's again 1. And so on, up to 1 over A 2009 minus 1 over A 2008, that's again 1. So I have 2008 equations. If I add them all by column, I'll get these cancelled out. I'll have at the end A 2009 minus 1 over A1 is equal to 2008. So since this is 1, this expression is equal to 1. So what I got from here is 1 over 1 over a 2009 is equal to 2009. So if I flip the fraction from here, my final answer is 1 minus 1 over 2009, or 2008 over 2009. So that's the final answer. So I use this expression, this relation between an and an plus 1 to simplify the initial this sum, and then the simplest form of that sum includes a 2009 only, 1 minus a 2009, and then use this identity between an plus 1 and an. I can figure out the value of a 2009, the only one value, and that gives me the result of this expression.